In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find answers on Google Forms. Whether you're an educator seeking to streamline your process or perhaps just new to using Google Forms, this guide is here to make everything clearer for you. To start, the first thing you need to do is navigate to the Google Forms website. You can do this by simply typing Google Forms into your web browser or by searching for it on the Google homepage. Once you've arrived at the Google Forms page, make sure you're logged into your Google account. This is essential because accessing the forms and their responses is linked to your Google account credentials. Next, locate the form for which you want to find the answers. You can usually do this from the main dashboard where all your forms are displayed. Click on the desired form to open it. In the interface of the form, you will see several menu tabs at the top, namely Questions, Responses, and Settings. Your focus should be on the Responses tab, as this is where the answers are stored. Once you click on the Responses tab, you will find an overview of all responses collected from the form. This section can reveal the number of responses that have been submitted. Here, you can choose to view individual answers or look at a summary of them. The summary provides insights through graphs and charts, making it quite straightforward to observe trends or common answers. If you prefer a detailed view, scroll to the Individual tab. This option allows you to peruse submissions one by one. Handy navigation buttons enable you to move through each response and scrutinize the details. This is particularly useful if you're searching for feedback from a specific respondent or are interested in the context of each answer. Moreover, for those of you who want to perform more in-depth data analyses or keep a record, you can export the responses to a Google Sheet. Look for the Google Sheets icon, typically found near the top right corner of the Responses tab. Clicking it will automatically create a new spreadsheet containing all your collected data, laid out neatly in rows and columns. This sheet can be shared or saved for further reference and is an excellent tool for organizing data beyond the limited view of a form. And there you have it. These simple steps will let you easily find and manage answers on Google Forms. Understanding how to navigate through responses can significantly enhance how you make use of Google Forms, ensuring you capture the full benefit of your respondents' insights. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please feel free to like and subscribe for more insightful guides.